Hello everyone, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss a concept in art in craft. మనకి two concepts ఉన్నాయి కదండి, art in craft and craft in art. Among them, first let's discuss art in craft, which is part 1 video. In this video, we can discuss textiles and furniture. First, let's observe what is the etymology of textiles. Etymology in the sense, the meaning of the word. Friends, you would get confused what is the difference between textile, fabric and cloth. Actually, they are having different meaning, but they are interrelated with each other. What is textile? The word textile comes from the Latin textilis, meaning woven. What is fabric? The word fabric is also derived from Latin word fabrica, meaning to fit together. What is cloth? The word cloth derives from the German word Kleid, which has meaning garment. Then let's see what is the history of textiles. The first cloths worn at least 70,000 years ago and perhaps much earlier were probably made of animal skins. And they help us, the early humans, to protect them from the elements. At some point, people learned how to weave plant fibers into textiles. Usually 70,000 years ago, early humans were used only animal skins to weave the cloths. But after some period, people learned how to weave the textiles using plant fibers. See, in the photograph from the right side of the slide, it is Delphos gown. The Delphos gown is finely pleated silk dress, and it was first created by French designer Henriette Negrin and her husband Mariano Fortuny y Madrazo. This wife and husband together designed this Delphos gown with a pleated silk in the year 1907. In this picture, the lady is Miss Condé Nast. She is wearing one of the famous Fortuny tea gowns. This is also called Delphos gown or tea gown. Let us discuss some of the sources of textiles. What are the sources, friends? The sources of textiles would be natural or artificial. What are the natural sources of textiles are animals, plants and minerals. From the animals, we get wool from sheep, silk from silkworms, cotton from cotton plants, flax from the plants or trees, jute from the plants or trees, bamboo from bamboo sticks, bamboo tree, and asbestos from the minerals, glass. And what are the synthetic sources? Artificial sources of textiles are nylon, polyester, acrylic, rayon. Using these artificial and natural sources, we get best product of textiles. Then what are the uses of these textiles, friends? Textiles are used for clothing, for bags, for furnishing, for carpenting, for towels. Textiles are used for bed sheets, for table covers, for making flags, for making tents, for manufacturing nets, for handkerchiefs. Textiles are used for rugs, parachutes, costumes, for sewing, for knitting, for embroidery, for quilting, for tapestries, etc. Textiles can be used for many multiple purposes. Then let's come to the next concept, furniture. Let's see what is the etymology, meaning of furniture. The English word furniture is derived from the French word fourniture, which means supply or provide. Yes, frankly speaking, the wood supplies and provides for multi-purposes. What is the history of this furniture? From around 30,000 years ago, people began constructing and carving their own furniture using wood, stone and animal bones. See, in this picture, you can see that early humans are likely to have used tree stumps as seats and rocks as rudimentary tables and mossy areas for sleeping. They used these trees, stones, plants and animal bones as their furniture. Then what is the eco design of furniture? Eco means friendly, eco-friendly, environment friendly. Great efforts from individuals, governments, and many companies has led to the manufacturing of products with higher sustainability known as eco design. The environment also has many advantages, and these advantages led to the manufacturing of many furniture products. This new line of furniture is based on environment friendly design, and its use and popularity are increasing each year. So day by day we are making use of this furniture, eco-friendly, environment-friendly designs to the new line of furniture. Inlaid and veneered patterns or pictures are highly sophisticated in design and manufacturing. Casters which make some furniture movable, and furniture designer designs in many modern methods. This furniture would be movable or unmovable. Then what are the sources of this furniture? One of the source is best source wood. Stone is a source of furniture. Animal bones is a source of furniture. Glass is a source of furniture. Metal is a source of furniture. Textile, ceramics, and so on. Coming to the uses of this furniture: beds, tables, chairs, chest of drawers, cupboards, frames, etc. So we can see that there are multiple uses of these furniture products. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.